This remedy came from my grandmother. Whenever anyone had a stubborn cough, she didn't rush to the pharmacy. She walked straight into the kitchen, grabbed 2 ingredients, and in minutes, the coughing stopped. Growing up, I never understood how it worked, but now the science proves she was right. The entire remedy is made from just honey and ginger. That's it. But when you combine them correctly, something powerful happens. Ginger warms your chest, clears mucus, and kills bacteria that cause cough. Honey coats your throat, reduces irritation, and calms nighttime coughing. Together, they stop dry cough, wet cough, and sore throat, so fast it surprises people. Here's how to make grandma's cough syrup at home. Step 1. Slice a small piece of fresh ginger. Step 2. Put the slices in a cup or bowl. Step 3. Pour warm honey over the ginger. The warmth helps release the ginger's natural oils. Step 4. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Step 5. Take 1 spoon and let it slowly coat your throat. Step 6. For stubborn coughs, boil the ginger in water, strain it, and add a spoon of honey. Drink it while warm. For best results, take this 2 to 3 times a day. It works for dry cough, chesty cough, sore throat, and even that irritating nighttime cough that won't let you sleep. If you want more simple remedies that actually work, hit subscribe and drop a comment saying, "Yes, Remedies." I'll respond and share another powerful cure in my next video. Thanks for watching, but please subscribe and share this. Thanks once again.